Hi, my name is Sheridan Rowling in this video and visual aid. I'll kind of go over my journey as a master's of social work student. So the first year, I had to relearn how to go back to school and do it online. I think ASU really helped my transition to online education and made it fairly smooth. I didn't really have any major technological challenges with it, and I thought ASU was really helpful. Um, I learned to search for internships ahead of time since I live in a very rural community and pretty much a rural state in Wyoming. We're our own little world up here with limited resources, and then just asking questions. Within my first year, my internship for the spring and the summer, it was kind of challenging. I was working full time, which included 12-hour shifts. I had an internship and I tried to maintain a social life and self care, which was pretty tricky for me to adjust to. And while I was in school, I had a huge transition at work. A lot of my team had left, so we were reeling from that and trying to adjust. So my first summer was pretty intense, but it was primarily life stressors, and school made it a lot easier, and it was pretty supportive, and the classes were lighter then. My second year, I really loved all my classes. They were a bit more focused on certain areas that I liked, especially the DSM class, and they're just a lot more specific, which was really fun, and a lot of more practice and hands-on work. During that time, I had my second internship, and then coronavirus happened in May of this year, so that kind of threw everything for a loop, which required me to change my internship site. That and another thing. So overall, my experience has been really great. I thought there was a lot of chaos, but I thought ASU was really supportive and always there and helped me answer questions. My biggest challenges occurred when COVID happened. So first off, my internship was in Colorado, so about an hour away from where I lived. And so Colorado was a hot spot, so I was really worried I wasn't going to be able to travel for that, given that I work at a hospital, and so they were very strict on where we could go if we wanted to work. And so I wasn't able to go to my internship site for COVID, and then during all of COVID, they had a massive staff turnover, so there wasn't any staff that I could work with, so that in of itself was really stressful. So I switched in between semesters, and thankfully ASU staff as well as my new placement staff was amazing. Got me switched over really quickly. I've been able to almost complete all of my hours, and so it was a challenge, and so I was very grateful for everyone to help me through it. Tips, I guess, overall lessons learned for my new profession going forward. I've been very grateful that we talked about meso, macro, and micro. I was under the impression I would only do micro practice, and turns out my new position as an MSW involves all three levels of intervention. So I'll be working with Medicaid patients in Wyoming, but I'm also contracted through a grant, so I will be doing speaking and going to conferences through the grant with my local university, and working at a larger hospital organization. So I will be experiencing all levels of intervention. So thankfully, we learned about those so I can better prepare and work within my profession. And then tips for new students. It goes by a lot quicker, and I'm sure you're going to hear this. I heard it a bunch. So just enjoy it. It's not as miserable as it seems in the moment. If you're really stressed or you have a lot of stuff going on, it'll be okay. It goes by really quick. The professors and all of the ASU staff have been great, and they really want to help you learn they give really insightful critiques. That's not just critiquing just to critique, which I felt I experienced more in my undergrad. And then lastly, I promise a portfolio class isn't as scary as it sounds. Um, and listen to Professor Can tell me when she says your first semester to not think about this class because it'll just freak you out and overwhelm you. And she's right, it will. So it's been great and it goes by quick. I actually can't believe I'm recording my last assignment for ASU. So for everyone watching the video, congratulations. We finished our MSW program. And to all of the educators, thank you for your help. Okay, bye.